Day one, post-op labral tear repair. This is third surgery on my left arm. First time was a rotator cuff. Second time was a bicep tenodesis. This time it's a labral repair. Barely get a shirt on without almost fainting from the pain, but only up from here, I guess. Also would like to add that pain medicine doesn't work, and so I'm having to use a lot of ice. Like I'm having to go get more here in a little bit once I'm more awake and the store's actually open. But I'm probably going to use at least 40 to 80 pounds of ice, and that's on the low end. I don't know how fast it'll melt in the little ice cooler thingy they gave me from the hospital. But yeah, not being able to take medicine because you might as well be taking water pills or sugar pills doesn't really help the healing process or pain relief or anything else. Swelling has gone down. I can actually feel my hand again, so at least that's another plus. Madison is always trying to stay by my side as when I'm up on my feet for too long, because granted I'm still unsteady and I don't have anyone to stay with me for the recommended 72 hours, I think it is. So, but at least I have Madison, even though she is a gremlin and she can and will take every opportunity to kick my arm. Don't ask me why.